Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. In this module, I give a broad overview by looking at the PowerPoint in the Culture and Communication lecture, but I really think you're going to get more out of the two TED Talks. Cultural diversity is something that takes a lot of study, and I have not done the amount of research that the two videos and the individuals in the videos that I posted have done. So there's a lot that you can find online about diversity. It's actually something that's taught in the majority of classes, especially like law school and a lot of prestigious universities. So there's some people that have really studied this and have tried to convey it in a way that makes sense for all of us. And if you find any videos that you enjoy, of course, share those with your classmates. But there's a lot out there. I was actually just watching a video from a law school about cultural diversity and the importance of that when practicing law. However, when you read the material, I think you'll get a lot out of it, even more so than the lecture, because I'm just giving an overview of the PowerPoint. But take a look at the videos. Hope you enjoy them. Hope you get a lot out of them and do the homework. Part of this chapter is leading up into a review of the final exam, which is next week. So there's not a lot due this week. In the video, you'll also see quite a bit of background noise, which I think attributes to how many times I had to pause the video just to make sure I conveyed the information the way it was supposed to be conveyed. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. I appreciate all that you're doing, and make sure you really dig into the two videos, the two TED Talks that I've posted, because I think you'll really enjoy them and get a lot out of them. This is a very, very complex topic, and I look forward to helping you maneuver through the challenge of making sure that people get the rights, the dignity, the equity they deserve. That's very important. So as we start to develop that in culture and society today, I hope this helps you down the path of success.